It's been 6 months since I left Thailand and moved back to China to live in a rural village. The villagers here are always busy with different harvests throughout the year, and right now it's orange season. So Aunt Xu and Uncle Lin invited me to join them in picking oranges. We met bright and early at 8 in the morning, ready to head out to the orchards and gather the fruits of the season. Aunt Xu told me that their orange trees have been around for decades, and every harvest brings in hundreds of pounds of fruit. Most of it is shared with friends and family, with just enough left for them to enjoy at home. The orange trees are tall and mighty, and we need ladders to reach the ones higher up. The morning sun bathed the fruit in a golden glow, as if each orange were a little lantern lighting up the branches. Since moving to the village, I felt like I've stepped back in time to a simpler, more authentic era. It's like living in a world where barter is still the way people connect. A common greeting around here is, "Do you want some vegetables?" It's their unique way of sharing the joy of their harvest.